Okay, question 2. Work out the area of the following quadrilateral. Key thing here is to think and use one of our key problem-solving skills, which is to add something extra to the diagram. At the moment, it's just a quadrilateral, but I can turn this into a Pythagoras situation, as I have two right angles here. I can do that by adding this line here. Now I can see that I've got one right angle triangle and another right angle triangle. I'm going to use another one of my problem solving skills, which is just to see where I can make a start and find something out. And I can do it here with finding the length of this hypotenuse. Or I could just work out the area of this triangle here to begin with. So let me do that. So the area of this triangle, area, is its base times height divided by 2. So 9 times 7 divided by 2, which is the same as 63 divided by 2, which is 31.5 centimeters squared. So that's my area of that triangle. I've been able to work that out. To work out the area of this triangle, I need my base times my height divided by 2. And I've got my height here, or if I want, I've got my base here, but it doesn't matter which way around. But I need the other length, so I need this length. And to find that, I'm going to need to use that. I can work out that side length there. And that side length there is, I'm going to label this diagram so it's sort of clearer for me. A, B, C, D. So I'm finding AD. AD is the square root of 9 squared plus 7 squared. So that is, get my camera, get this out. So I want the square root of 9 squared plus 7 squared. It's the square root of 130, and that's 11.40, and so on and so forth. I'm going to keep it just as the square of 130 because that's neater and exact at the moment. So root 130. Okay, so to work out what this side is, so AB equals square root of 130 squared, right, take away 3 squared, which is 130, take away 9, which is 121. And we know the square root of 121 is 11. So that side must be 11 centimeters. And then I can work out my area. So area equals base times by height divided by 2, which is 33 divided by 2, which is 16.5 centimeters. So all I need to do is add these together to get my total area. So total area equals 31.5, so that should be squared, shouldn't it? 31.5 plus 16.5, which equals 48 centimeters squared. Now, that involved quite a few steps, but it was relatively straightforward. I'm going to set an extension question for you to do on the next space in your book, where you and mark it out clearly as extension question for question 2. And I'm going to read it out in case you're struggling with my handwriting. I need you to copy this and to complete it as part of your homework. So here it is. Okay, I'll read it out. Extension question for question 2. So it's not to scale. I've got this shape here. And it's a pentagon, 5 sides. Pentagon PQRST is comprised, that's made up of, an equilateral triangle, RST, so that's an equilateral triangle there, and a right angle triangle, PQR. Find the area of the shape, give me your answer to 3 significant figures. Just find the area of that shape. So I need you to copy, show all working out, and complete that as an extension question for question 2.